Trump's election helped him with his criminal cases. What about the civil lawsuits he faces? President-elect Donald Trump's win in November has been a huge boon to him in his criminal cases, with the Justice Department deciding to drop its 2 federal cases against him and New York and Georgia state courts currently considering what to do with his other 2 criminal cases. But will his election victory help Trump delay or avoid paying the approximately $600 million in civil case judgments against him? Trump has already begun to argue that it should. Trump lawyer John Sauer sent New York Attorney General Letitia James a letter November 26 noting the Justice Department was dropping its criminal cases against Trump and urging her to do the same with her civil fraud lawsuit. A trial judge ordered Trump to pay $454 million in February after concluding Trump inflated the value of his assets for years to get better loan and insurance terms. With interest still accruing, Trump now owes more than $485 million in that case. Trump has denied wrongdoing, and he has appealed the judgment. President Trump will soon take office as the 47th President of the United States, Sauer wrote. Thus, the continued pendency of this lawsuit raises grave and doubtful constitutional questions, and greatly disserves the national interest. James' office, which hasn't yet replied to the letter, declined to comment for this story, but they may argue based on Supreme Court precedent that presidents are not immune from civil liability for private actions. Trump could go on to file motions asking courts to dismiss the civil cases, claiming they, with their massive judgments, will unconstitutionally distract from and interfere with his upcoming presidency, just as he is arguing that his 2 state criminal cases should be fully dismissed for those reasons. For him to win that argument about civil lawsuits, however, courts would need to announce brand new protections for a president-elect or sitting president. No one in those positions has ever before been made fully exempt from civil lawsuits. The Supreme Court would have to extend the law in a way that they never have, Gregory Germain, a Syracuse University law professor, told USA Today.